If you are looking for the best wireless mic to level up your YouTube videos, this video is for you. A mic which is easily compatible with your mobile or camera and lets you record your content hassle-free without adding any extra efforts post-production. So here's my recommendation, a tiny little piece of equipment, Rode Wireless Go 2. Rode previously had the Wireless Go version of this mic and has recently launched this newer version with commendable upgrades. We will be checking out this mic based on 4 factors. The first one being money, the second one being quality, compatibility, and ease of use. So starting with the first factor, which is money, this tiny little wireless mic is available in $299 US or 23,000 Indian rupees approximately. You might already be knowing that the wireless mics are a little expensive than the wired ones. So considering the professional quality and features that Rode is providing in this mic, this price is really reasonable. I also want you to consider the fact that it could be a one-time investment for you and you might not need to upgrade it in near future because you can keep using it for years to come and it keeps giving you excellent quality audio. And the videos that you create using the mic are definitely going to pay off. You can record vlogs, voiceovers, just a sit and talk video like this one, or even an interview where 2 people are in conversation. With the Rode Wireless Go 2, you get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. It simply makes it easy to record 2 people at a time. The audio from 2 transmitters being recorded into the same video. If you go back and see my older videos, you will realize that I was not using an external audio device and how terrible those videos could be without a good audio. And I have recently purchased this Wireless Go 2 mic and it has helped me level up the quality of my overall videos. I am very much impressed by this professional quality of audio that it records even when I am just sitting in a non-sound treated room or just my bedroom and recording this video. To show you a difference, let me switch to the camera audio. What you are listening to right now has been recorded in the inbuilt camera mic of the Canon G7 Mark III, recording in the same conditions. I have switched back to the Rode wireless mic again. Let me also make you experience the left and right channels being recorded from this mic, and I highly recommend using headphones for this.
So here Parth Patel reporting, and on the other side you will be hearing Mr. Tarun. So what's in the dinner tonight? Mr. Tarun.
What are you ordering? This should have gone better.
Nice try, Tarun.
No. Nice try, Parth.
Thanks, bro.
I'm just recording a conversation between the 2 of us to see how the audio is when we have car noise. We have music going on in the car, but not at a loud volume, just in the background.
We can turn that off.
What are your plans
plans?
after lockdown is lifted?
After lockdown is lifted, I'll straight go to Bali and jump in a pool and eat unlimited breakfast.
Oh my, for how many days do you want to stay?
At least 2 weeks.
Even I want to go to Bali, I want to go to India. I want to meet my friends, my family. I haven't met them since last 2 years. And I never thought I would stay away from them for this long. I'm really excited to see the outcome of this video actually, because I will be vlogging a lot using this mic. I'm not sure if you are able to listen to this or not, but I can clearly hear my neighbor's vacuum cleaner working. I'm not sure if this mic is recording it or not, but it is definitely a good test to see if it is reducing the outside noise or not. You can choose to record in 2 channels, or you can also merge them into 1. You can easily split the channels into left and right by pressing this button, and you can also merge them back into 1 if you don't wish to continue recording into 2 channels. With all this information, I was assured that Rode is definitely giving us top-notch quality for this price. Which brings us to the next point, which is the compatibility. I was really excited and surprised to know that this wireless mic is compatible with your camera, with your iPhone, and also your Android mobile phones. So this mic is compatible with almost all commonly used devices these days. If you are planning to use this mic with your camera, then Rode already provides the tiny cable that you will need to connect the receiver to your camera. But if you are planning to use this mic with your mobile phones, either Android or iOS, you will just need to make an additional purchase of SC15 or 16 cable depending on your mobile. Coming to the fourth factor, which matters the most to all of us when switching to any new devices, which is the ease of use. Now, it doesn't really make any sense to switch to a new device if it increases your work. So getting a new device should only help you in creating better videos more easily. To use this mic, you just need to plug the receiver to your recording device, which could be your camera or your mobile, and clip the transmitter to the person's clothes whom you are recording. And that's it. It is a wireless mic, so it saves you from the hustle of managing the tangles of a wired mic. It is very simple to use. The audio right now is being recorded into my camera directly, so there is no extra syncing post-production. So with this, we come to an end of this video. I hope you have liked it. If this video was even a little helpful to you, please make sure you let me know your feedback in the comments below, and I would reply to each and every comment, promise. And I will see you next very soon. Bye.